important resistance by bouncing from the previous resistance. Yes, I have to say going above the previous all-time high, show me a new high, I'll show you a buy, would be very convenient, but so far we are holding all important support areas and we are so far going higher here, even if it's in very, very slow speed to be honest. And here you can see that the breakout from, and this is something I always love, confluence, the breakout from the rising wedge and from the cup and handle pattern are both showing us a price level, a target of $74,000. I want to wrap up Bitcoin very, very soon, guys, but really I want to talk here about the higher time frames. Now, if we are going over to the weekly candles, you can see we had multiple touch points. And yes, this is a perfect fit line. But what I have to tell you, we have 5 touch points. There is no way to redraw it. I see sometimes people commenting and it's fine, it's lovely, I love the discussion, but here I have to respectfully disagree. Even if it's a curved line, if it's a perfect fit, when we have 5 touch points, you cannot redraw the line. You can't redraw the line. You can slide it up or down and it changes with $1,000 just because of the pixels. But you can't redraw the line. So this is the perfect fit line. This is the 11 years resistance for Bitcoin. And fact is, guys, dear ladies and gentlemen, every single time, this was 2011, this was 2013, this was 2017, this was 2020, and now 2021, we hit it again. Every single freaking time we hit it, we went into a bear market and Bitcoin went significantly lower. However, I am telling you the most foolish thing to say as an investor. This time it's different. Why is it different? Let's go here straight into it. So, number one, never ever in the history of Bitcoin hit it and hit it shortly afterwards again. We never got a double dip here. We got a double dip in 2013, but the first time we were very far from this, at this time, not existent resistance, right? We just got one touch point here. Multi-year bear market. One touch point in 17, multi-year bear market. And right now we got another touch point in 2020 when we hit 64,000 US dollars. And multi-year bear market doesn't look like this, right? We got bought up like crazy. I actually was talking about my worst case scenario of 28,800 / 29,000 US dollars to come into place. We hit this price level and Bitcoin shot like a rocket ship towards the upside once again. Let me quickly go over here and show you exactly where we were bouncing from. From the 21-week EMA. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. This is absolutely amazing. We were bouncing from that also multiple times in 2017. Right now we were bouncing and we actually, for the first time in crypto, hit it again. This resistance is still valid, as you can see. However, I do believe that the showdown of this one is coming within November. And ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you something. It's just one or the other. If we are getting another rejection, most likely we are going to go into a multi-week correction. However, I think this time it's different for specific reasons. This time it's different because this line is not adjusting. It has actually diminishing returns to scale percentage-wise. Yes, Bitcoin has that as well, but it is not accounting for a currency inflation, for like overwhelming currency printing. It's not accounting for that. And it's also not accounting into people pricing future inflation in. This is why I believe now in an environment of more global economic uncertainty than ever, and now in an environment of more money printing or currency printing, however you want to call it, than ever, I think this time it is the time to break it. And I don't think that 72,000 US dollars is the end of the road. I think we can even, if we are breaking it, very important, if we are breaking it, I think we can even reach 92,000 US dollars within that year, for it maybe not even being the end of the bull market, probably not even by far. This is what I'm looking out for right now, and this is only Bitcoin. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is printing something very, very interesting. For this, I want to go over here into the chart, and we are looking at two different things, guys. We are looking at the Ethereum US dollar chart and at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Both of them showing us amazing confluence, and both of them showing us insane price targets for Ethereum. After that, I will go over and talk about altcoins. I will go over, talk about metaverse cryptocurrencies. I will talk about Chainlink and other things. It is very important to me, but first of all, I wanted to focus on Ethereum because we are trading that, we are holding that, especially holding is very important. And we just broke a new all-time high. Dear ladies and gentlemen, can I ask you for smashing up the like button on that video for Ethereum reaching an all-time high. Is that too much to ask for? Let's reach 3,000 likes in the next 10 seconds. Please, guys, go down below and smash up that like button. We hit an all-time high for Ethereum. Bitcoin is close to an all-time high right now. This is a moment to celebrate. Thank you so much for the likes. And now let's go straight into it. And yes, people are sometimes asking me, why are you trading so crazy? I mean, these are my trades right now. I am having the Bitcoin trade open, $1.5 million in a profit, and this one. I am having very strong hands on these trades. I'm actually also having a Bybit trade open. I forgot to show you. Recently, I announced it on Twitter. I showed it in my YouTube video, and I forgot the last 2 videos to show it. $2 million trade, and it just broke. It was actually not profitable. Maybe that's why I forgot it, right? And now it just broke profitable again. $31,000 on that trade. And obviously, guys, before I'm going to the next ones, before I'm forgetting it, $6,800 for limited time for free right now. It was before 7,000 something. It is trickling down. This is for limited time. Go to the video description. It will show you a number of like $1,500 or so. It's not valid. These links are perfectly fine. The links are the real links you need. If you go down to the video, to the pinned comment, no matter what number it tells you there, I have to change the description actually. It is $6,800 right now. Go down below, use preferably the Binance link. This is my favorite exchange. I just showed you my trade here over on Bybit. Sorry, I said Binance, on Bybit. Click the link, make your own account, and after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses for free. You can use the free bonuses actually for your own free trades as well. Make sure you use it before it's over, but make sure you are an experienced trader before using it. I know some of you are watching right now and you say, oh, I'm just copying Chris trades. I don't have to be experienced. Please, guys, be an experienced trader before using that, okay? Not too much to ask for. You can still click these links, make an account, and just trade on the testnet. No need to use your own money, guys. Use our links still, but trade on the testnet if you're not experienced, okay? This is what I wanted to say. So now let's go over into the Ethereum content and then over into the altcoin contents. I want to make this one quick and dirty. So what you can see here is, I think Ethereum is just right now reaching another all-time high. Let's just put an alert here, right? Jeez, that's crazy. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. We are about to reach a new all-time high. And let me go over and turn on the AC. It's just too freaking hot here. So I want to talk about my price targets. Dear ladies and gentlemen, about future trades as well. But the price targets are the ones which are going to blow your mind, guys. That is for sure. Right now, Ethereum is about to break the all-time high. And you know what? Before I go into my TA, before I go into my price targets and into just a second, and also into everything else here, I wanted to make a quick tweet, and maybe you can help me on spreading the word here. How to write? Why is that not working? Jeez. Sorry, guys. Let me write a new one. So let me quickly write this tweet here before we are going into the trade, into the whole content about Ethereum. Ethereum is about to hit 5K. And now, please go over, I will talk about why 5K and also about other price targets. Please go over to the Twitter and I will put in lemon behind and just smash the like for that as crazy, okay? The lemon is our insider joke over on Crypto. Please go over to Twitter, like and retweet if you feel comfortable with it. Let's spread the word. Let's get the mainstream in. Smash up the like button. I will go through a few of your comments, guys, feature them before I'm talking about my next price targets. Let's just see how strong the crowd here is, how strong the Crypto family is. We got in a few seconds already 200 likes. This is amazing. What comments do we have here? Send it. Let's go, Senor T. Fleming, brilliant. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Lemon, let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Look at these lovely people. How many likes do we have now? After half a minute, 430 likes. This is amazing, dear ladies and gentlemen. We are confusing the the Twitter algorithm. Probably we are having here, like within 1 minute, not even 1 minute, we have 550 likes. But I don't want to let you wait. I will read a few more contents. Oh, we just, stay on page. Boom, we just hit the all-time high. So amazing. So now let's talk about why I was making a tweet storm about Ethereum before, right? I mean, I said it here. Of course, that was just what I posted before. Here I announced my metaverse cryptocurrency purchase like 3 days ago. I was saying I am buying metaverse cryptocurrencies. This tweet went here almost viral. And of course, I was posting a lot about Ethereum. Let me quickly see here. Ethereum about to break to 5K. I said that here when we broke this pattern. And of course, the last few days, I was posting more and more about that. The reason for that is, number one, in the immediate short term, you can see here on the 4-hourly candles, bouncing in between support and resistance. It's not a perfect pattern, but we got a few touch points here. I think this is horizontal resistance. It's definitely ascending support, and we definitely broke it here. We broke above the previous point here, and now we are hitting an all-time high. So my price target for that specific one is actually from the breakout point when I gave you this alert to the high, 13% from the moment of now. And yes, I still think we can reach this price level. I still think Ethereum is going to go higher to here almost $5,000 according to that specific trading pattern. We are still looking at an almost 10% gain here. If you are, for example, if you're an experienced trader, you're using our link below, you are claiming the bonus, then at a 10x level, just for example, 10% equate into 100% return on equity. Of course, there is a significant portion of risk involved. Of course, you have to be an experienced trader. You have to trade based upon your own research and at your own risk. But obviously, this is life-changing opportunities, that's for sure. So here we are just talking, and this is not the chart which is going to blow your mind. Yeah, $5,000 for Ethereum sounds amazing, but honestly speaking, if you ask me, it's not mind-blowing at all. What's really mind-blowing is what the Ethereum Bitcoin chart is showing us. Because you remember how I was here in, what was it, like in May, June, somehow there. I was talking about us actually breaking this huge, this is a weekly pattern break. This huge, symmetrical triangle. You can also draw different things, and you can draw a different support here and call it a falling wedge. However you want to call it, the price target is much higher. Since this call actually way ago, a month ago, Ethereum already gained 200% against Bitcoin. That's only against Bitcoin. Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin by 200%. So that means, and that's only so far, that means from 2.4% of Ethereum price against Bitcoin to 7.2%. That is not the end of the story. What I am looking out for is in total a 550% pump. I am looking out for Ethereum to reach at least 16% against Bitcoin, maybe even 20% against Bitcoin. Ethereum is an awesome project, and I want to show you also fundamentally why. You will not believe your eyes, guys. You will not believe your freaking eyes. Let me quickly go over here. Yeah, here it is. So, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I was making a fully dedicated Ethereum video just a few weeks ago when I was standing on this skyscraper, right? As of yesterday, $3 billion in Ethereum has been burned. Let me repeat that. As of yesterday, $3 billion in Ethereum has been burned. We are talking about 700,000 Ethereum being burned as of yesterday. That means Ethereum is actually right now burning more than we are actually inflating. Ethereum is right now, we talked about it a few months ago, will be. Right now, Ethereum is a deflationary cryptocurrency. So we always had the arguments, well, Ethereum is amazing, it's a smart contract platform, we have tens of thousands of developers building up on Ethereum. However, as a store of value, it's not as good as Bitcoin, which I still think it's not as good as Bitcoin. But the main reason for that was, of course, that it's not an absolute perfect confluence here being in harmony. We have the Ethereum US dollar chart, printing a massive breakout, creating a new all-time high. We have the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, actually breaking this multi-year, I want to say, since 2018, May, multi-year resistance here towards the upside. This is extremely bullish. Ethereum is extremely bullish right now. And we are actually printing higher highs as the time is passing. And by the way, guys, if you're watching these videos, big chances that you are new to this channel. If you are new to this channel, we have been crushing it throughout the last 2 years. Welcome to the Crypto family. Go down below and press the subscription box. If this subscription box is still red, I dare you to press it and make it gray or black. press it right now. Subscribe to Crypto right now. Go to this little bell icon next to it, press the bell and press on all. You want to make sure that you are not a slave to the YouTube algorithm. You want to make sure that you are getting our time-sensitive content, my price predictions, my trade alerts, my cryptocurrency calls, everything pushed towards you completely for free in a time-sensitive manner. Go down below, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. Thank you so much and welcome to the Crypto family. 4,000 likes already on that video. And now let's go over into the altcoin section. So I was posting, I am buying metaverse cryptocurrencies. And yes, on some of them, you have just missed out. You just probably missed the train. I can tell you on Bitcoin, Ethereum, you've not missed the train. If the train is leaving for Bitcoin, the next train is coming in 10 minutes. I'm telling you, Bitcoin is far, far from its potential highs.